So you can enjoy it. Oh, I'm like mama's So you can enjoy it.
I don't need to worry about possible fear. I don't need to worry, it's a waste of my fear. I've been saying time and time again, why would you listen now?
What's up? What's up?
Every time you catch me off my guard, it's like 1,000 married men taking off their wedding rings and singing. Now it sounds so good to me, and it used to sound so good to me. It doesn't sound so good to me, and it never sounded good to me.
Set the phases to run. What's got you distraught? It's negative attention at best. But call it nothing. Maybe something, a little bit, maybe something to the It's all about ascension, I guess. Don't put me to rest. On and hand me your clothes. Take a picture or two. I can see you. Tears falling down at the party. Saddest little baby in the room. Fears, tell me fears, don't get me started. I get a little gray hair for every scare you share. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. Those aren't meant to bend. No, those aren't meant to bend. I hear your eyes and I see those cries. I hear those eyes and I see those cries. I can't be the only one who hears you.